Hey guys, what's going on? Well, we got some cool, interesting drinks to try out. These are TommyKnockers, all natural, strawberry cream, almond cream, and orange cream. They're little mining things, pretty cool. I'm guessing in the inside there might be some cool stuff. I don't know on each one if it's different or what. I found these in Little America, Wyoming. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought it was really interesting. I don't remember exactly how much I paid. I want to say it was like $3.59 per can. Like I said, they ain't cheap. But yeah. So you got Mountain Town craft sodas. Discover the legend. TommyKnockers slipped into the mining camps of Idaho Springs in the 1800s, and with the discovery of gold in our mountains and streams, these mischievous elves, though hardly ever seen, were often heard singing and working. They guided many fortunate miners from harm's way to the gold they sought. New legend. Share a TommyKnocker strawberry cream with a friend. And this little thing here is you zip it down. And so I brought my little knife here to we're gonna taste these and stuff, of course. All right, there we go. Oh, come on. Almost there. There we go. Go all the way down? No. Not all the way. Stopped. I'm guessing there's a little story behind it. This is the only thing I can think of, but I don't want to puncture the can at all. Huh, this is actually pretty interesting. And no. That was to have a blank can, I guess, to unzip it. Yeah. You can keep that if you want, I guess. Anybody work for TommyKnocker, or anybody that knows what's the story behind that? I'm just curious. maybe someone else knows. I don't know. What do we got here? TommyKnocker Brewery, Idaho Springs, Colorado. TommyKnocker.com. Alright, so this is a strawberry cream, guys. Ready? Wow. Very good smell. Very good smell. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. Very amazing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hold off on that. I know I could probably crush all three of them, to be honest. But just in case I can't, I want to save room for the other ones. We're going to go with almond cream, okay? I don't know, I've had strawberry stuff before. Orange cream, I got some over here. Good sale on some here. But Oh yeah, so if anyone wants to know to see what the nutrition value is, if you care, they do have loaded sugar, 41 calories, 170, 15 sodium, 41 carbs, and you got water, pure sugar cane, organic almond concentrate, and organic vanilla on this. 160 on the strawberry calories, 39 sugars. Says includes 39 added sugars, 78%, and this other one was 41 added and 82%. 170 on the orange. So the 170 and the almond are the same. For some reason, strawberries are different. But yeah, all right, let's kick it back and try it out. I mean, do almonds really smell like anything? I mean, this one, I mean, you can smell it off the bat. Maybe I should have coffee sniffing. That like resets your senses, I guess. But yeah, I mean, there's not much of a smell. Huh. I mean, it's good. I'm trying to think. I can't say, I mean, I think it tastes more like vanilla. Like, what's that, old age vanilla? Is that what they call it? I think A&W makes it or something. But that's what that tastes like. I mean, it's good. I mean, it's good. I mean, this one, strawberry, out of this world. This is still good. Still good. Let's crack this baby open. Well, there we go. You ready? Oh, you can smell that one. All right. Taste testing. Results are coming in. Results are coming in. So what's my favorite? I would have to say the strawberry, number one. Number two, I would have to say this. Now, anybody watching from TommyKnocker, you guys got great pop, okay? Yes, I called it pop. I'm from Iowa originally, so. But the reason why I love orange cream, but this is not orange cream. It's just orange pop. I have some what's it, Virgil's. I got cases over here, but I got a cold one right here. Now, these suckers are, this is orange cream, 0 sugar, by the way. I wasn't gonna bring this into the video at all, but this stuff tastes like orange cream, no sugar, even better, honestly. This stuff tastes like orange cream. I mean, there's no sugar, but you can actually taste it. So Orange cream, think of those orange ice cream bars that has like the, they got the orange like pop on them, and then they have the ice cream in the middle. That's the only way I could say what it should taste like. And this one just tastes like orange pop. I mean, there might be a hint of something else there, but it's not cream. Unless I just got a bad one or something. No, I just ain't tasting it. But the strawberry one, like, you can taste the cream, whatever it's supposed to be. It's just the orange one just not getting there. But overall, yeah, great product, by the way. I don't know if you guys make more. I have to probably go check out your website out. I would like to try more of them, but I bought them. They had little miners on it. Kind of cool that you had started a cool story. That's really cool. I appreciate that. If you guys are watching, and maybe you've been following the channel, or you're new to the channel, I also have another channel. It's called 2.5 Prospectors. I'll put a link below. What we do is we prospect for gold and different rocks and stuff, and I posted on there about these drinks, but I was gonna do the testing on this channel. But yeah, you guys are more than welcome to check out that channel. Thanks for watching, greatly appreciate it. If you've had these drinks before, let me know. If there's more out there, let me know. Which one have you tasted? Which one did you like? If you didn't like it, yeah, I'm curious where they go. I'm guessing I thought it was going to be in Idaho or something, but it ended up being in Colorado. So Idaho Springs. I didn't know that was in Colorado. But yeah. Anyway, so if you please like the video if you liked it, share it with another friend, and leave a comment below. Thank you for your time. Hope you have a blessed day.